Hi guys, my name is Heather. I'm a hygienist here with GuruNanda, and today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite ingredients in oral hygiene products, in gums, or in healthy candy, and that is xylitol. I absolutely love xylitol. It's an ingredient that I tell my patients to look for when they're buying oral hygiene products for a couple different reasons. So one of my favorite things about xylitol is that the cavity-causing bacteria, Strep mutans, do not like xylitol. So xylitol helps kill the cavity-causing bacteria, Strep mutans, which will help reduce the risk of cavities. Now, it's not, a miracle worker. It doesn't reduce all cavity-causing bacteria. Strep mutans is not the only bacteria that causes cavities. We can also get cavities through yeast in the mouth, but it will really help prevent decay in that way. Also, if you do a bacterial test and you realize that you do have a lot of Strep mutans in your mouth, xylitol is what I would recommend to you. When you're using xylitol for cavity prevention, I like to recommend chewing a xylitol gum or using xylitol-based candy. They do have healthy candies after each meal, or if you drink something with sugar like soda or iced tea. I like to limit those drinks, but patients do consume those beverages, so I like to habit stack it with something good. So have your beverage or sweet treat and then habit stack it with some xylitol right after to help limit the risk of decay. Another reason why I love xylitol is because it neutralizes the pH in your mouth and it increases your saliva production. So when you have a neutral environment, it's really hard for a cavity to form. So not only is it killing the cavity-causing bacteria, it's helping neutralize the pH in your mouth. And having a neutral or slightly alkaline environment helps keep the teeth nice and strong and healthy. When we are constantly consuming sugar throughout the day, your mouth is going to be acidic and that wreaks havoc on your teeth. Having xylitol come in and help moisten the area, increase saliva production, it really helps prevent dry mouth, and dry mouth is another thing that wreaks havoc on the mouth. A lot of decay is because of dry mouth. And the last thing I'm going to talk about with xylitol is that one, it's a sugar alcohol, so it doesn't behave like a normal sugar. So when you eat something with sugar, the bacteria eat it and then it spits out an acid on your teeth. But xylitol doesn't do that. It's not fermentable, so it doesn't let the bacteria produce that acid. So xylitol is one of my favorite ingredients in oral hygiene products. I love that GuruNanda has it in basically most of their products. Their toothpaste, their mouthwash, all have xylitol in it. And even their kids' toothpaste too. It says 10% xylitol blend. So absolutely love xylitol. Highly recommend it. And that's it for today's video. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. But I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.